First, press ID card copy on the program column. The program recalled signal will show on the screen. After turn on the function, prepare a name card or ID card. Open Document Processor and place the card on the platen. Please note that the scanning range within the A5 area. Place the front side face down and close Document Processor. Press Start button and scan the front side image. When finished, it will show the signal to turn over the card. Open the Document Processor again. Flip over the card and place the back side on the platen. Please note that the scanning range within the A5 area. After close the Document Processor and press Start again.